Hey guys, it's Grunt and Michael.
What?
What?
What? How dare?
You know, Dairy Queen should start serving pizza. You know why? They get a lot more Sean business.
All the Seans.
Blizzard! Blizzard, Michael.
My wallet bounced off my knee.
Did it really?
Yeah.
It's gone.
Yep.
We're gonna get down to business down here in Michael's room. We're gonna spruce up the place. He isn't gonna know what hit him. Well, he'll probably know what hits him when he sees this, but still. So guys, right now what we're doing is we're cleaning Michael's place. Here is the before. As you can see, Michael's room. Throwing shovel. We already, just to tell you what we already did, because I kind of just jumped right to it, is we took his chairs, moved them over in the corner, and we filled up one garbage bag full of stuff. So now, I'm going to give you guys a before and after, and a little bit in between. So me and Michael were pretty lazy. We decided not to clean anything. Yeah. You see, Glow wasn't very about it. Wait, hold on. What's that? There's no cobwebs up there. Wait, hold on.
Oh, where'd the box go?
Holy moly!
Wait, where'd the box go?
Oh my gosh, it's clean!
What's that?
It's actually clean! What the heck? Games? Stacked nicely? What the freak? Well, this is still a little bit of a mess.
Yeah, it's still a little bit of a mess, but we were dissecting a computer earlier.
What the heck? Oh my goodness! Oh, that's still a little bit dirty, but hey.
We'll get around to that. For
Look,
now.
you can see the floor!
Yeah.
Holy moly, look, that's centered! I'm in a chair, guys. This chair is set up right here in front of this beautiful little entertainment center that's missing a TV.
But it may have one on it soon.
But that might be the temporary replacement.
Yeah,
That'll make for a good... This'll make for a good temporary replacement. We're currently in the process of removing bulk items. So guys, we have cleaned the pool table and a good portion of the back half of the room off, and we're taking a break right now because the shop vac kicked up a bunch of dust in the room. So I'm just sitting out here waiting on Michael to get back from upstairs and for the dust to clear so that way we can move the pool table. Hello.
Ooh.
We made a big dusty mess, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
Yes, it is very dusty. Yeah. Oh my gosh, wow, dude, never in a million years, you know, subtitles that says, Michael says, wow. Guys, I can't believe it. But I'm gonna let Michael give his last words before we head back to town. Now that it is like 3:05 in the morning.
Well, look at her face. She looks so concerned. Thank you. There's no way I'd have gotten any of this done without you. Maybe a little bit of space here, but that's probably all I would have gotten done. If I wasn't half asleep, I'd probably be in tears right now. This is a big room, and it actually feels big when it's not cluttered. Especially like it's this area. It's like its own little living room here.
are gonna pack up and head back to town, get out of here.
Really impressed. Got this done at 3 in the morning. Holy shit. All that's left is that corner right there.
So, Sean, what do you think?
I think it looks good.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yep,
I know
that's
Michael
the
likes
I-5
it.
is going to DJ. Oh, that's good. Oh, okay. And here comes Cassie.
Oh, bitch. Oh, I tried to parry. That's not good.
Oh, by the way, you can run back to the bonfire area anytime you want and just sit in it.
Oh, what the
Told you.
fuck? That was the fucking last hit, too. Fucking asshole. Oh, here you go. Alright, you can play now.
There's a cat in here.
I'm gonna put this in Willie's truck.
Getting a little bit of warmth.
A little bit.
Some toxic fumes, man.
Yeah.
I gotta get those toxic fumes, man. Whoa. Dude, we're gonna attract the aliens in, Michael. The aliens are gonna be coming.
Oh yeah. Well, then I want the fire between you two.
What's the matter? You getting hot?
You want me to take a picture?
Yeah. Michael, he said heat! Don't forget to hit that like button right there. Click on both of those and click that if you want to see more videos from me. Nobody asked you, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, bye, bye.
There's a spider trying to come down on you.